Wag! Laro lang ha! Laro lang! Huwag ka sumabay!
Marami ang kumutya kay Pacman nang sabihing maliit para makipagsabayan sa welterweight division. Ngunit iba ang paniniwala ng mga eksperto. Masyadong mabilis si Pacquiao na hindi kayang pantayan ng sino man noon sa 147-pound weight class.
I like Pacquiao. I think he's too quick, too fast. Unlike most great fighters, he seems to be getting better every time.
Naikasa ang Cotto vs Pacquiao noong November 2009 sa tangkang pagsakop ni Pacman sa ikapitong dibisyon. Pumayag ang kampo ng nooy WBO welterweight champion Miguel Cotto sa 145-pound catchweight para harapin ang pound-for-pound king of the world. Tulad ng inaasahan, liyamado si Pacman sa mata ng mga totoong eksperto.
I like Pacquiao. I just think that right now he's the best. He's pound for pound the best, but I'm going with Pacquiao.
And I don't think Cotto's size advantage is as big an advantage as Pacquiao's speed advantage.
Pinakaba ni Pacquiao ang mga boxing fans sa unang round ng pagtatagpo nila ni Cotto.
The Puerto Ricans WBO welterweight belt on the line.
Well, Cotto has been accused of being a little bit mechanical with the left jab. Starting well, Cotto. Cotto looking very strong and powerful.
Welterweight against the fighter who's come up from the
Left jab, Pacquiao struggling a little bit. The accuracy. But this
Ngunit pagputok ng third round, nilamon na ni Pacquiao ng buo ang pambato ng Puerto Rico.
for Pacquiao.
and that speed's razor sharp, and Cotto touches down.
Goes back against the rope, and he fights his way off, and goes down again. What a land of the pitch. Straight left hand lands for Pacquiao.
As well as Pacquiao.
Oh, left hand from Pacquiao, huge punch. Margarito, will it happen again? And Kenny Bayless says no more. What a fighter!
Dahil sa panalo, selyado ang record sa boxing history as the only boxer to win 7 world titles in 7 different weight classes.
He's just a wonderful athlete to watch.
Recorded him the greatest Asian fighter ever, the greatest left-handed fighter ever. And he's gone all the way up 7 divisions, winning 7 titles.
Makaraan lang ang 4 na buwan. Dating nagpahirap kay Cotto ang naging kasayawan ni Pacman, Joshua the Grandmaster Clottey. Parang ang na-starstruck si Clottey na halos ayaw nang bumato na suntok sa takot na baka suklian ni Pacman ng matinding bigwas.
These first few minutes have enormous significance.
Line, and referee Rafael Ramos has let them
Very tight fight out there. And right now the fight is good.
There's a combination for Pacquiao. And into the round. The first and the fifth. Back in for 2 hands at once. Grabbing it. Oh, here we go.
It was all Manny Pacquiao from start to finish.
See which one. I don't see which sympathy round you could give to
I
Cotto.
agree.
Shut
It
up.
would have helped him.
It wouldn't have made any difference.
Looking forward to the possibility of getting together with Pacquiao. Continues. As he hammers Joshua Clottey.
Makaraan ng 8 buwan, isang imposible ang nais na gawin ni Pacman, ang umakyat pa ng timbang. Gustong sukatin ang lakas at kakayahan sa hindi pamilyar na teritoryo, ang 154-pound weight class o mas kilala bilang junior middleweight division. Ang makakatapat, ang minsan ang nahuling ng duga sa mga laban, Antonio Plaster of Paris Margarito. Si Margarito na ang pinakamalaking mamaw na tatapatan ni Pacquiao. Grabe ang panlalait ang ginawa ng mga tropa ni Antonio sa ating pambansang kamao. Hindi nila alintana ang kinikimkim na himagsik ni Pacman na handang pasabugin sa oras na magkita na sila ng mata sa mata sa lona. Narito ang full fight highlights ng laban. Round 1, angat agad ang bilis ni Pacquiao.
And of course, Pacquiao's hand wrap was so absurd. State Athletic Commission. The Athletic Commission had to bring the 2 trainers together in case that he ever considered not entering the ring to fight. So here they are. Pacquiao trying to get in.
Yes, it does.
So he has a better chance to affect. You see, was
In and out attack ang pasabog ni Pacman.
and boxing with Mayo's arms and head down.
Well, one thing, Manning makes adjustments.
Margarito has thrown almost exclusive gut and landed it on Margarito's face.
Jabs of Margarito's throat.
Margarito throwing
Round 2, pumuputok ang kamao ni Manny.
3 punches. Antonio Margarito in round 1 seems very low.
We're used to seeing hit recent.
Patuloy ang pagsalo ni Margarito sa mga kamao ni Pacman.
But speed belongs to Pacquiao.
I mean, you're not supposed to be on the ropes
Against the ropes. And if there was one thing Freddie Roach harped on through
more with some of the great Mexican fighters that he beat.
left cross inside by Pacquiao. He lands the right hook too. And
This is why when you ask me, couldn't
delectable experience perhaps for Margarito fighting a man power punches.
Round 3, too slow to react si Margarito sa suntok ni Pacquiao.
Vulnerable. And he's looked a little vulnerable.
The ring, boxing with his hands up, doing reasonably well, bothering Pacquiao. Good.
Siksik, liglig at umaapaw ang biyayang suntok handog ni Pacman.
Pacquiao is not going to happen. He's got to eventually catch him with a clean shot.
Round is that Margarito's gloves are split and he can throw his left. Pacquiao.
Round 4, sakto lang ang distansya ni Manny sa patama.
Jim, I love the guy's power punching. I mean, he don't hit it because the guy ain't there. That's the great.
Maybe Margarito won.
No, I give all 3 rounds to Pacquiao also.
I think you're looking at 12 rounds of nervous jeopardy under his right eye.
Isang matinding body shot, kumulot ang katawan ni Margarito.
Physically strong and have to do.
It's not true.
Pacquiao hit it with a body punch, I think, and everything.
That's what's happening now.
Very seldom do they penetrate.
Comments coming into the fight. One of the ones I found most interesting was from Joshua.
Round 5, parang naglalakad na punching bag si Margarito.
4 represents the largest number of punches ever landed on a hook.
Yeah.
Upstairs, downstairs ang patama ni Pacquiao.
Great fight against him.
Pacquiao's fighting spirit is something to behold.
And look at the different angles.
Pacquiao takes these little breathers by the.
That one shot to the body seemed to have changed the fight tremendously.
Southpaw, it wasn't the left hook to the body, it's the left cross to the bottom. Margarito speaks for itself.
Round 6, Pacquiao maintaining distance while throwing combinations.
Guys that have speed, they don't have power.
Margarito, who at the height of his career a few years ago was averaging 100 punches per round. Look at Pacquiao move from side to side.
This is what I said he should do.
And move into Margarito's eye where Margarito couldn't see him. That didn't work.
Afterward, I asked him what was most impressive. He said easy, the footwork.
Now, a lot of guys move, but it's strictly footwork. He can move.
Final minute ng round, inabot ng body shot si Pacman sa ropes.
Some bigger than others, but he's winning all of them.
The advantage of having Pacquiao against the ropes. This is Pacquiao.
Round 7, umiiwas na si Pacquiao na makorner sa lubid.
Mixed it up in 60-54. Manny Pacquiao. I got a ton of shots of his own. And Jim, the one thing we can't measure is the amount.
Round that is called comparative rounds. I thought Manny won it, but I think
Pacquiao loves a good scrap, like the last round.
Mas lalong bumabagal si Margarito, bumabawi si Pacman.
that's what we call a natural. Been getting rid of good training that really improved. He does it all and fights everybody. That's what I like to see it possibly go in a 12-round decision, only because of Margarito.
I thought Pacquiao would stop Margarito right.
Margarito's hanging in. He's having more flurries. Happy box
Round 8, maingat si Pacquiao sa mga palitan.
round in the fight so far to Manny Pacquiao. And incidentally,
And here comes
and he
Manny.
turns it around and bangs.
I've trained in the gym with Margarito. He
Low
trains.
blow there. And he's blocking some of the punches.
Hindi alam ni Margarito kung paanong iilaga ng mga suntok ni Pacquiao.
This has been a measure of redemption.
Miguel earlier today, Miguel said this is going to be a real
Fight. I mean, this is a fun fight.
Round 9, patuloy ang pagiging agresibo ni Margarito kaso hindi nagtatagumpay.
This round are the most anybody's ever landed against Manny Pacquiao.
knocks him out sooner. But he's been able to absorb.
Hirap na nga makahabol si Margarito sa bilis ng footwork ni Pacquiao.
Weight championship
Punches a little better than a smaller guy, but a regular 140-pounder.
some fatigue. Pacquiao, for the first time in this round, has begun to move.
He wants long range, even though he's